Well, Fiji is still leading by 17 points to 7 before the halftime, and now it's still on the same 17-7. Yeah, the game just started. Oh, 3 minutes. Frank Comani with a great clearance out of danger. Now Fiji is playing pretty well. Let's call it. They've left it for the last game. Surely they will. Right, stop them. Tackle on the spot. Worry. Rest the ball. Worry. Sidiara. There's another knock on, penalized. No, the Scottish crowd are not happy about referee's decision. Baik, Mas. Yo, kamu lepas si Mai. Yo, ni Raymond sa nung ko juga nung Nawale mo na former Fiji rep, Seko Kalo for the beer. Sponsor beer may beer. Nawale mo na beer kaniko. Weka, tanda mo nga sa rota.
Substitutions for Fiji. Coming off is number 1, Eroni Maui. He is being replaced by number 17, Levi Nakaki.
Second donge. Pinaka. We did really well.
Substitution for Scotland coming off is Max Williamson. He's been replaced by number 21, Agnes Bradbury. Number 3, Darcy Ray is being replaced by number 18, Samuel Ferguson. And number 9, George Hall is being replaced by number 22, Jamie Luke.
The first knock on by Fiji, obviously, they're going to be given a scrum for Scotland. Another tackle went by, and that was another knock-on, but
A short time ago,
first knock-on was considered.
He's being replaced by number 18, Benny Rovai.
Ila nagueta, somebody got another bilo, but this fella. Hey, mina ka na sponsor ng bilo. 2 beer, inaka. Sponsor beer tal kumar to na sabi ko. Hey, binaka. Pisowa doing his stuff. Kelly in reverse here. It's amazing to see Botia and Pisowa's both centers can steal the ball. Here, Calebman's on his way to clear a long kick out of danger towards the 22-meter line. Yeah, there's another replacement for Scotland, number 19, getting into one of the locks. Obviously, Tanival is coming out, replaced by either
HIA replacement for Scotland coming off number 4, Johnny Gray. He's being replaced by number 19, Scott Cummings. HIA replacement for Fiji, number 7, Nekima Talitaliwalo is being replaced by number 20, Kikione Salawa.
Kiti Salawa in the mix. That's it. Oh. First ball talaga Salawa sa loop wicket. The score, if you're still wondering about the score, it's now 15 minutes past. After 15 minutes, Fiji still leading 17-7. I don't know what happened there, but I think it was an offside. Fiji is leading 17, Scotland 7. There's a difference of 10, and it's now 28 minutes away from the end of the game. Now Fiji is playing a structured game, as they should have been. They're doing really well today. Amazing job, boys. On another. The drive from Scotland.
Try scored by Scotland, number 17,
Fiji should be very wary about this last quarter. Be very careful, Fiji. But they're doing really well. Okay, now 14. Actually now 14-17.
Conversion successful. Fiji leads Scotland 17-14. That conversion by number 9, George Horn. Substitution for Scotland, ladies and gentlemen. Off is number 14, Darcy Graham. He's being replaced by number 23, Sione Kwikolotu.
Moko ngay Kiripolotu. A great players from Scotland. Kumanda sa nagtagal binakabidyo. still leading 17-14, yeah? Was a clear knock-on, now penalized Fiji. Scotland. Penalized for the knock-on. Wasn't a try.
Replacement for Scotland, ladies and gentlemen, coming off number 8, Gregor Brown. He is being replaced by number 20, Liam Connell.
Watch out, Fiji, watch out. Put some new boys in. Yuk, udah pernah regroup kiri boys. Fiji still leading 17-14. Now it's about 12 minutes. Oh, 22 minutes away from the end of it. 22 minutes left. I thought not 12 minutes. It's still not 12 minutes, man. He's under a lot of pressure from the Scottish spectators. Oh no, Scotland taking the lead. 21-17. 21-17.
Try scored for Scotland.
Oh, welcome Fiji.
Jamie Dobby. Accompanied by number 10, Fergus Burke. Score Scotland 21, Fiji 17. Substitution for Fiji, coming off is number 5, Elmore Manapanoa. Being replaced by number 19, Mesake Volewale.
Hey, Ricky Sabo.
HIA, ladies and gentlemen, coming back off is number 22, Jamie Dobby. Coming back onto the field is number 9, George Horn.
Yeah. For the first time, Scotland have taken the lead 21-17. So we only need one penalty and one try with a conversion to win the game. You're doing well. A big thank you goes out to every family that have driven in as far as London, like myself and other friends who've driven from Wales, from Ireland. So many people came from Fiji. My brother came from New York City. Toso iti toso. Tapos lang kapo eh. Tapos lang Ada dong takin niya. Gori, structured rugby. Gori, kau telah offload Chico. Let's play nice and powerful. Hurry up. Hey, había presa dulu. Lo manita le drama ramah. Hurry up. Tukya magrang leliya. I see. Stop waiting for the tackle. Run through. $16 minutes left. 16 minutes left, eh? Salacitino, man, boy. Follow. Not La committee! Tabolaka! Fiji! Lasso, goreng, lasso! Scotland is leading 21 points to 17. Definitely Fiji's gonna win. Calm down. Hey, Rawa,
Replacement for Scotland, coming off is number 2, Gregor Hiddleston. He's being replaced by number 16, Seth Stephen.
Amazing to see so many people that have got so many support from families. It's a great thing to see boys running in the field. They're very talented. Nearly stolen them from Sila. Pasi! Matutong ka di. Sama-sama. Desumay! Yes. Sali mo lang ito nialokan. May tama na. Ya, vamos a lo de Rawa. Yuk. Tunggu sebentar, maka presa tengah kameramen ya. All for Fiji. Kameramen jangan dekat dulu. Di pusat dia. I keep forgetting that I'm with live Facebook. Di pusat dia juga. Kasih kain. I think he's doing a great job. All the boys, they're taking their time because if you rush this game, a very, very hot chicken under. Otherwise, they'll puff out and they'll get pushed over try again. So they gotta play really with a great mentality. Sometimes you might think, oh, Frank Romani rush na ka gitu. Don't. This is 18 minutes. Nala kami tuwa na boys. Pamaluot ka Frank. I understand where people are coming from. Hey, but now Frank Romani gitu. No, he's doing a great job. He's gonna tidy the thing up, Kami pamaluot. Oh, another knock on there by him. Mantap di mata. Uy. Yuk, tumawin mo naman na ito VIP security ito ko. Professional security ito dapat ito ko na VIP section. Ang karami ito ni Tavi. Sa middle door ito. Ito basic na Scotland ito nang unibici Scotland security baka may We have on the left is former Fiji rep, Sekotolo. And right behind me is the... You see all the big lads there? All the commentators behind me. Look. Yep, scrum is on. Terus kita lihat sana gitu. Tabulan ko ya. Tabulan ko ya. Tabulan ko ya. Musuh. Running outside. He forgot there was a field. And then he ran out by himself before being tackled. Seperti tackle salah na kuila. He...
HIA reversal, ladies and gentlemen, for Scotland. Coming back on is number 9, George Horn, and number 22, Jamie Doobie.
Oh, the young man is in number 22. Someone tell me his name. Someone tell me his name. He's a new guy from Drua, from Naila Bautai level. Someone tell me his name. I don't know. Come on, Nibo. Active man salah siguro. Who's the young boy wearing number 22 from Naila Bautai? Hey, sister, come on. That's the kind of tackle we like. Chop the bloody knee. Chop the bloody knee. And langsung got calm down, calm down. Calm down. Minum doi. Clear me, call by the ball, well, go. Stop looking at the ball, clear the ball. Come on, man. pemirsa kata-kata tegi referee juga namo kuli koi ko referee pada kes petelandi. So the moment is 21-17. If that goes in, it's going to be 26-17. And the time now, we have about 7 minutes to the end of the game. And that's 28-17.
Try confirm, number 19, Scott Cummings. Conversion successfully taken by number 9, George Horn.
Come on, Fiji.
Score now, Scotland 28, Fiji 17.
It's not rocket science, Fiji. Come on, man. That's a great kick. Hey, pick it up straight away. Fiji's getting the ball. That's a bounce. And that, come on. Stop passing. Just go straight. Create something, man. You're running against time, guys. We should be aggressive because the moment we give them a mile, they'll take 10. Sorry. Aggressive mandani, boys. Aggressive mandani, brother. Okay, by now Scotland 28, Fiji 17. Ito nga nang kita papakasama ba yan? Again, Nayasi.
Scotland 33, Fiji 17. Ladies and gentlemen, from Fiji, thank you so much. We have a new crowd record, 55,250.
Hey! 55,000! Yes, thank you, Scotland! daw sa may Makarila po ngay kaya. You're not bothered about the win, you're just bothered about the money. Another knock on from a quick pass. Really, there's a lot of misunderstanding about this team. Either there is a problem with the players or the problem with the management. I don't know. Anyway, I'm here just to support. We spend thousands, we spend hundreds. Doesn't matter. The only thing we want to see is Fiji win. We don't care about that capacity. We want
Scottish guest will reveal your player of the match, number 12, your captain, Stephen McDowell.
I don't know, but it's not clicking, eh? I don't think the boys are clicking with the coach, or probably the coach is not clicking with the boys. That's it!